gonna try to figure out how to unlock and lock this bucket. It's nice, it's got this auto loader. Find the button here. There we go, we got the right button. Look at that, you don't even have to get off to hit no buttons or anything. Look at that. We're gonna go get the grappler hooked up. We got to get another piece of equipment moved out of the way. We got a post driver. Okay, well there's the window just fell on my head. That's something we need to get kind of fixed out a little bit. Well, I got that fixed. That didn't feel too good. Window coming down hitting you in the head, but here we go. We're just going to pick this up and move it. That way we can get the Cam, you want to throw those cables up over here? Those hoses? Just set them right there in the front, that'd be good somewhere. Okay, I'm just going to move this out of the way. Is that pinching in there, Cam? Hey, is that pinching in there?
Yes.
Yeah. There we go. Locks in. Okay, everything's locked in. There we go. Okay, I figured I didn't hit the auxiliary button on here, so we got to hit the auxiliary and that's got it going, but here we go. Let's see if it works. There we go. That's pretty nice. Oh, Cam, we might have to adjust on those cables. We don't have the length we need, Cam. Am I recording? Yeah. How you doing? We're back out here. We got the grappler hooked up. We're not going to probably use it today, but we did get this Virnig grappler. We bought it originally for the tractor, but this is going to work out great right here on our skid steer. This is awesome. So we're going to hook it up. We got to just hook up the lines, but we'll have it ready to go sometime later this week. We'll go in and clean up that brush and give it a little try out. Hopefully we'll get some video of that too. Until next time, God bless you.